In today's video, I will show you how to change a document into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive in and explore some of the different methods you can use to create PDFs with ease. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once you've launched the application, you'll want to head over to the top left corner of the interface and click on the Create button. This area is your main hub for starting new projects. Click it and you'll be presented with a few options. Choose the file type you want to convert into a PDF. Acrobat supports a broad range of file types, making it versatile for many tasks. Once you've selected your desired file type, click Create or Next to proceed. Another method you can use is the Convert to PDF tool. To find this, navigate to your Acrobat home screen where you'll see an option called See All Tools. Click on that, then select Convert to PDF. Next, a window will prompt you to choose the file you wish to convert. After selecting it, click Open. Once the file is open in Acrobat, be sure to save your progress. Head up to the menu in the top left corner and select either Save or Save as to store your newly created PDF in a location of your choice. By following these steps, you can confidently change almost any document into a PDF using Adobe Acrobat.